Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I wasn't able to do a video, so I promised one today in the Discord channel, so I'm trying to hold up on my promise. Right in front of you we have the daily chart, and as you can see, what we saw is that there is a bearish divergence was on the daily right here. The price was going up while the RSI was going down. So we needed a little retracement, and we also needed the RSI to come back to this gray area right here. So it cooled off on the daily, which is a good thing. We needed that in order to create some room to grow bullish again. You could see momentum was starting to go up, but it's turning dark red now, and I'll show you why that is on the 4 hourly, because this is a beautiful retest right here that we see on this downward sloping. We had this downward sloping resistance line right here. We had this support line right here. And yesterday in the Discord, I showed you two scenarios, which was either we drop, retest, and go lower like this, or the possibility was to break out, retest, and then eventually grow from there. And that's what's the most likely scenario before us, because you can see right here is that we are retesting this level right now as we speak. And yeah, just a minute ago it looked like we were having a bounce, but if we zoom in on the 1 hour, you can see that yeah, it almost hit the level right here. But yeah, we'll need to see if this will hold. I think this is the retracement that we were looking for. RSI is cooling off, and yeah, what I basically expect from here is a bounce. Oh, that's not the right direction. We broke out of it right here. We had a retest right here, and this will leave us room to go up from here. So basically this is a very bullish retest. We need another 17 minutes at the time of recording this video to see if we hold this level. If we hold this level, we are very likely to see some upward momentum from here. But what I basically want to see is that we break above this level right here, and especially even better if we break the 24.5k. If we do that, then I do expect the bull market to be back in place, and especially if we break out of it, retest it, and hold it as support, then we're off to the races, and then we will have an exciting season coming for us. But we're not there yet. The weekly, and let me turn on the EMA right here. The weekly had a bearish cross. I don't have my mouse right here. Had a bearish cross from the 50 and the 200 week moving average, which is a death cross, what they call it. But it is yeah, it is very near, and yeah, this death cross isn't bullish news, but the EMA ribbons are a lagging indicator, especially on the weekly. And so downward momentum isn't just going to change into upward momentum, especially in the 200 week moving average, which has yeah, basically smaller waves, right? So the smaller the 20 week and the 50 and the 100 and the 200 week moving average, right? So those momentum indicators are very much lagging. So yeah, I don't think we'll have to worry about that, because on the daily we had a other cross, which is a bullish a bullish crossover, and that's looking better. So yeah, basically, I'm still a little indecisive, and I will still not leverage trade until we break above the 24.5k. But yeah, definitely this is a very interesting spot buy. You can spot buy and sell Bitcoin if you are interested. It just needs to hold this level right here. And yeah, you can see that it's creeping up from a bounce already. So yeah, might expect the next candle to touch it again, and then it's off to the upwards momentum again. So if you're watching this video quite soon and it holds in 14 minutes, then it could be a very nice spot buy and ride the train up to here, and then eventually sell your spot position. You can do this with smaller positions, and with no leverage. It's not that high of a risk yet. The risk is that it goes down, but you can either stop your loss at some point somewhere below here. Be my suggestion. And otherwise you can ride it out, of course, because all momentum indicators on the weekly and the 4 hourly do look yeah, they look good, especially on the daily and the 4 hourly. The weekly is still yeah, possible that we cool off a little bit in the MACD. So well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for your attention. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.